In this video, I'll show you how to generate an SSS PRN online for voluntary members with this step-by-step guide. Let's get started. Open any browser. We'll use Google Chrome for this tutorial. In the search bar, type SSS and press enter. Then click www.sss.gov.ph. I'll also put the link in the description below for easy access. Once you're on the website, click Create a My.SSS account or login. Tap Login. Enter your user ID and password, then click Sign In. For the one-time PIN verification, select one-time PIN via SMS. Once you receive the OTP, enter it and click Login. You'll then see the privacy consent and declaration page. Click I agree. Now we have access to the My.SSS dashboard. Go to the upper left corner and click the menu icon. Select payment reference number, then click Contributions. As you can see, I have already generated a PRN for the month of July. Now, I'll show you how to generate a PRN for the month of August. Scroll down until you find the PRN section. Here, you'll see Step 1, Generate. Under Membership Type, Voluntary is already pre-selected. If you're an OFW, you may choose OFW instead. Next, select the applicable period from. Take note that you can pay in advance, but you cannot make late payments. Then select the applicable period too. For the pension booster option, you can simply disregard it if you don't plan to contribute extra. It is designed for members who want to invest additional funds to secure a larger pension or lump sum benefit in the future. Now click Contribution and select your desired premium amount. The maximum contribution is 5,250 pesos. Scroll down to find your preferred amount. The minimum contribution is 750 pesos. For this example, let's select 1,050 pesos, then click. Next below the total amount. Now we're on Step 2, Review. Scroll down to review the details. As you can see, we have successfully generated our payment reference number. To proceed with payment, click the right arrow below. However, I personally don't use Biller Row or MyEgg. I prefer paying through GCash or Maya, so I'll just close this pop-up. Now, as you can see, we have successfully generated a PRN for the month of August. You can copy the PRN directly, or you can download the PDF file. Save it, then open it. You can verify the payment reference number in the PDF and make sure it matches the one displayed on the screen. If you'd like to pay using GCash or Maya, I'll include the link at the end of this video. And that's how easy it is to generate an SSS PRN online. If this tutorial helped you, subscribe, please like, and turn on notifications for more government services tutorials. Thanks for watching.